Can you believe I found this in somebody's trash yesterday? It's a weather vane. Yeah, it's a little bit bent and rusty, but with a little paint, sandpaper, maybe about an hour, I think we can have this thing back better than it was when it was new, mounted up on the roof where it belongs. Stay tuned. We start by disassembling the weather vane. Some of the existing paint is chipped and bubbling. I'll use a combination of blades, sandpaper, and wire brushes to remove as much of the rust as possible. Now, with a vigorous brushing with a good wire brush, I'll clean all the nooks and crannies of the metal. I want to pause the video for a minute to give you a couple of other ways that you can get rid of rust. Now, if you're not in a hurry, you can soak it in vinegar for 24 hours. Or another way is to spray this Ospho on it. You can either brush it on or spray it on. And what this does is chemically react with the rust and it changes it. And it pretty much neutralizes it completely and allows you to spray paint. You can watch another video I have on this called Ospho, Amazing Rust Killer. These rotating wind circles are a bit more difficult. I tried some emery cloth dipped in water to make the paper more flexible. It seemed to work good enough. So after more scraping, sanding, and brushing, then wiping the whole thing off with a clean, mildly damp cloth, let it dry. Then I'm ready for a paint job. I'm using Rust-Oleum Black, which works great on cleaned, rusty metal. Two light coats of paint and let it dry. These two pieces of scrap wood from my garage will be perfect for mounting the weather vane at the peak of the garage. A coat of paint to match the garage trim. I'm tightening the set screw to lock in the direction. A little grease to lubricate the parts that rotate when the wind blows. Lastly, I want it to be level. Well, it's raining here today, but another useful item, alley picked and saved from the scrap heap. If you like this video, punch that thumbs up. If you're interested in more like this, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified when a new video comes out, ring that bell. Thanks for watching. Until next time, I'll meet you in the alley.